Thanks for choosing Halawa Wax. Let's quickly learn how to use the wax correctly. Take a tub of Halawa Wax. Remove the plastic lid. Pull the tab up and then pull with our easy open mechanism. Be careful not to touch the sides of the metal can as they can be sharp. Check the consistency of the wax. If it feels a little hard, close plastic lid and place in a bowl of hot water for 5 to 7 minutes to make it softer. Wash the area of skin well before applying the wax. Take a Halawa Wax Feather Feel cotton strip. Apply a moderately thick layer of wax in the direction of the hair. Apply the strip on the wax. Pull off in a quick sudden jerk in the opposite direction of hair. Do not wait more than 5 seconds after applying wax on skin. Always peel the wax off at an angle such as opposite direction of hair. Do not attempt to peel off in an upward direction, as that may lead to the wax staying stuck to the skin. In some areas such as hands, it may be difficult to peel off in the opposite direction. For these areas, you can remove in direction of hair. Remember to always peel off with a fast jerk for it to be effective. If the wax is not coming off completely when peeling off with a jerk, then add some more wax and make a slightly thicker layer until you get the entire layer coming off together. Thanks for choosing Halawa Wax.